So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we got really amazing to talk about. Yes, finally आज अपना बेलियाल आ चुका है. So आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं द लेजेंड, द मिथ, द इनफेमस बेलियाल. तो इस फेमस बेबलेट के बारे में बात करेंगे. So without wasting any more further time, let's straight get into the action, okay? I just hate the fact that day by day Beyblades are coming without the launchers. It just hurts, man. So let's cut it wide open. So we got the weight disc. I think it's called Nexus or something. The driver. So we got the Nexus disc, Venture driver, and the DB2 Belial layer. Look at that, so amazing, so crisp. So ये सारी चीज़ें basically ये तीन चीज़ें and stickers, this is what we get into the box. So let's quickly assemble it for the very first look. Oh my god, that's really tight. And look at that, this is real beauty, man. And I think this is in low mode, and look at that, amazing, isn't it? I mean, I just love it. I cannot say how much, but I do. This is super amazing. So अभी मैं इस पे फटाक से stickers लगाता हूँ. So let me put those on. So let's put some stickers, baby. Now our stickering is done, and you can see the beauty. It looks damn awesome, isn't it? People like Roar Bahamut, I agree, but this is no less, man. This is absolutely crazy. And right now it's in low mode, so we can try the high mode as well. And this driver is pretty tight. Okay, it came out, cool. It goes on the top. So I suppose it is the high mode. I'm really having a hard time fitting this guy. And now this is high mode, and look at the beauty. The stickers on this armor, pretty tall, isn't it? Let me get a bay for the reference, okay? So to compare it, I brought two bays. This is Dragoon S and this is Victory Valkyrie or a Valtriac. You can see the size difference and check out the height difference, man. This too. Wow. And I heard one thing is that it's really hard to open. I highly doubt it's gonna burst. So what I heard is these discs are backward compatible, which means they can fit into your old gen baby. It looks a bit weird, but yeah, it is pretty heavy, so I think they might come into some use. So it looks a little bit weird, but they are pretty heavy, so I think some defense type Beyblade can actually use it. Okay, so this is the Drasil. So it's gonna be pretty sick. We have to try it out to see if it actually helps or not, because there is no point making it like backward compatible then. Now if you remember, we bought this Dragoon, and with this Dragoon we actually got extra armor, right? So if you haven't watched my Dragoon video, you should check it out. So let's try to put this armor on. So we were saving this armor for a DB way to come, and here we have it. Oh my god, look at that. It looks super dangerous. I mean, this red goes with the theme, right? And it looks pretty dope. Oh my god, look at that. It looks like a monster. Anyways, but I like the low mode, honestly. So let me take it out. So now we are back into the low mode, and even the low mode, it's not really that low. It is a little bit higher than the like first gen base. So let me know, what do you think? How does it look? I think it just looks really sick. It's damn too good. So let's give it a spin and let's see how it does. Okay, dang it. So we're gonna use the Lightning launcher. We don't have a DB launcher as of yet, तो यही try करते हैं जो भी है. Okay, so I think it doesn't fit very good in the Lightning launcher. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let's give it one more shot. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So it's a pretty violent and pretty heavy bay, and it packs a lot of power. So don't think it's gonna be that easy. So this is some serious power it has. and not bad for a stamina, I would say. So let me try it again against the Legend Spriggan. So here goes our Legend Spriggan. Pretty good, I would say, pretty good, because this Legend Spriggan is really great bay. And I was expecting like the Belial should be powerful enough to burst it, but no worries. Let's try Belial against Lucifer variant. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. Wow, wow. Lucifer got a pretty beating out there, man. Really, these dynamite bays are really sick. I mean, I would definitely try this battle one more time, but I wasn't expecting Lucifer to go down like that. So I would say money well spent, man. Money well spent on this. So guys, if you haven't got this bay, you should get it. It's pretty sick, pretty amazing. I love it. So let me know in the comment section what do you think about this new bay Belial. And a lot of bays would be coming to my collection soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. And honestly guys, in our tongue I should say, भैया ये बे तो चुम्मेश्वरी है. So guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, hit like, do subscribe our channel, and I will see you guys in another video of mine. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.